invited to join us this Friday night at 8:15 for 180 United Praise. It's going to be a word and worship night, and Josh Raybould is going to be our speaker. So if you want to come along, it's 8:15 here at Excel Church, running till 10 p.m. On Saturday the 3rd of February, we've been inviting you to come along to hear the story of Barry Woodward. He was a drug dealer and addict, but he had his life completely transformed by the power of Jesus. He's coming to share his testimony with us, and it's going to be an awesome night. So we encourage you to invite all your friends and family along to hear his incredible story. There's also going to be a full kids programme for 3 to 11-year-olds. So that's Saturday the 3rd of February from 6:30 p.m. Come and hear Barry Woodward's story.
Jesus, you are the way. You are the way. You are the way.
If you give regularly to Excel Church, then we'd ask you to consider doing a couple of things. First of all, why not set up a standing order? That means any money you give on a regular basis will go straight from your bank account into churches. Simple as that. The other thing is, if you are a UK taxpayer, then please sign up for Gift Aid. It's dead simple. All you have to do is fill in a form once, and then 25 pence of every pound you give, we can claim back from the government. Doesn't cost you a penny. So get your forms for those from the welcome team, and also if you Gift Aid, please make sure you put your money in envelopes into the offering basket so we can claim the gift aid back on that money. Remember to use our website for all the latest information about what's coming up here at Excel Church, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram for all the really up-to-date stuff. So that's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.